Picking a random faceless video, you can see it receives over 1 million monthly views, which translates to at least $300 per week from this type of video. Let's use Obama as an example. Lately, I've been thinking about making a comedy movie using AI voice. And here's proof that these videos can be monetized. Now let's try to recreate them using free tools. First, let's head to ChatGPT to get an auto-generated script. Ask ChatGPT to create a normal real-life conversation with dad jokes between you and your friend. You can use different characters, but for this example, I'll stick with 2 friends. Once we have a well-written funny conversation, we can move on to the voiceover. There are several text-to-speech AI voice options available, but for this example, I'll use 11 Labs. 11 Labs offers 10,000 characters per month with the free version. However, if you plan to use it commercially, you'll need to pay $5 per month. Now let's go back to ChatGPT, copy our script one by one, and paste it into 11 Labs. Choose 2 voices to represent the conversation between you and your friend. For easier organization, label the voices as Voice 1, Voice 2, and so on. Repeat the process until you have generated voices for all the lines. Keep in mind that 11 Labs has some limitations, so you might need to sign up for multiple accounts to generate all the voices. However, managing multiple accounts and passwords can be challenging. That's where Nordpass comes in. Nordpass is a powerful password management tool that stores all your passwords in a secure vault protected by advanced encryption algorithms. It generates complex, unique passwords for each of your accounts, eliminating the risk of reused or weak passwords. Nordpass also conveniently autofills your login credentials, saving you valuable time and enhancing your online security. Now let's move on to editing. If you have screen-recorded footage from games, that's great. However, if you're looking for free-to-use high-quality gameplays, you can check out specific channels. Just remember to credit them in your video description. Go to Veedio and go to the video editing platform's homepage and create a new project. Upload your gameplay footage, and then you can start editing. Since the video might be too long, let's trim it down. On the left side, click the audio button and select all the AI voices we generated. If you named them accordingly, it will be easier to arrange the clips. Next, let's add subtitles. Click on Subtitles, select Auto Subtitle, and choose the first line of your voice clip. After a few seconds, you'll see the generated subtitle. You can click on Styles to choose a pre-made style or customize your own. Adjust the font size and position as needed. Repeat the process for the remaining lines of dialogue. Once you've finished adding subtitles, click Done and export the video. It may take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. When the video is ready, you can download it in MP4 format. Now you can upload the video to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or any other platform of your choice. You can also use this method to create long-form videos. Please note that some parts of the script may be unclear or incomplete, so you need to make assumptions and add missing details to improve the overall flow and coherence of the instructions.